Okay, effect of an incorrect valuation of inventory. Now we will discuss effect of incorrect valuation of inventory. If your valuation is wrong or incorrect, then what will happen to the profit? How it affect the profit? Now you see, we will now look at the effect of incorrect valuation of inventory or on gross profit, profit for the year. You see gross profit, if how it affect the gross profit. Again, how it affect the profit for the year. Profit for the year means net profit and equity and asset valuation. Okay, so as mentioned before, inventory is included in the calculation of cost of sale. It is part of cost of sale in the trading account. If closing inventory is overvalued, you remember the closing inventory is considered as income. Okay, so it overvalued means profit would be overstated. The cost of sale will be undervalued and therefore gross profit will be overvalued. So if closing inventory is overvalued, profit also will be overvalued. If closing inventory is undervalued, that means your profit will also be undervalued. The trading account on the left below shows the result of overvaluation of closing inventory on the cost of sales as well as on profit. The account in the left shows the result of the overvaluation. Overvaluation means if it is overvalue, then what will happen? Profit will be overvalued. Like you see, let's trading account. You see, this is the right closing inventory. So if it is right closing inventory is 1000. Okay, look, this is still other thing will remain same here. This 3000 and cost of sale, how much it is? Cost of sale is 1400 plus 2500, 3900. When you subtract 1000, this is correct. So when you subtract it, what will happen? Your profit would be, let me, actually, whenever you're subtracting, you have to draw a bracket. Okay, when you subtract, you will get 2900. And when you subtract it from 2000, 3300 minus 2900, your profit would be, your gross profit is, your gross profit is 400. Okay, so this is 400. But now the closing inventory overvalued. The gross profit now overvalued means 100. How much it is overvalued? 100. Instead of writing for 1000, by mistake you have recorded how much? 1100. So what will happen? Other thing remain same. And when you subtract the 3900 minus 1100, you will get 2800. So once you subtract it from 3300, what will happen? Your profit is 500 instead of 400. So if so, the conclusion is if your value increase from 1000 to 1100, how much increase? It is 100. So profit also increase 100. Profit also increase 100. You see, instead of 400, it is 500. If it is uh, if it is low, your closing inventory, suppose instead of writing 1000, if you are writing 900, you see, you can see 900, 3000, 300 minus 900. When you subtract it, you will get 3000. You will be getting 300. So if it is profit is lower, your profit is also your profit will also reduce by 100. Are you getting the point? I am repeating. If your closing inventory increase from 1000 to 1100, your profit also increases from 400 to 500. Okay. If your inventory is closing inventory is decreased like from 1000 to 900, your profit will also reduce from 400 to 300. How? You see, if you see here, 3,900, when you subtract it, when you subtract it, when you subtract it 900, what will happen? I'm supposing that instead of writing 1,000, you have written, instead of 1100, you have written 900. So what happened? What will happen? See, instead of writing, see if you are writing here 900. So what will happen? 3,900 minus 900. So your answer would be, your answer would be how much? This will become 3,000. Okay. So when you subtract, let me write down a little bit of. If you are writing is 3,000, then what will happen? 3,300 minus. So you will get how much it is. I'm just cutting it instead of writing here. You will get how much? You will get 3,300 minus 3,000. You will get, answer is 300. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So the conclusion is, or the end story is, if your closing inventory increases from 1,000 to 1,000, 1,100, your profit also increases. Okay, your profit also increases. But if your 1,000 to 100, but if your profit, your closing inventory, it decreases from 1,000 to 900, your profit also decreases. I think it's clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.